We are in the lobby of 6 Broadway, or maybe 9 Broadway, I don't know. But we have, oh, and stay tuned at the end for a tour of the creepy basement. We have an elevator. Now, you may see and think that it's boring because it's modernized with GAL. But you would be wrong. Let's get a view of this cab. Man, my mouth is dry. The wallpaper has been switched out with something that would look nice maybe in a different elevator for sure, but definitely does not fit the style of this one, at least in my opinion. I don't know, but otherwise it's fully original. What's that? There's like a piece of paper in there. Wonder if you can see what it says. Something from Cherry Creek. All right, let's go to basement. Oh, shit, someone called it.
Down?
Yeah, what for?
One.
Oh, shit, I guess we're going up.
You going down or up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I'm just getting a video for a project. So in all honesty, it doesn't matter where I go. Take care.
You going?
Oh, I'm staying in.
Oh, all right, cool.
Take one more ride. Take a look at the call button here. Original. Alright, back down to basement. Fucking dentist chair. Whatever this is. Look at this creepy ass basement.